Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're test driving the all-new 2025 Chevy Equinox, Chevrolet's best-selling compact SUV, now completely redesigned for its fourth generation. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's see if the Equinox still earns its spot in your driveway. First impressions: wider stance, bolder grille, and slimmer LED headlights that flow into a crisp shoulder line. The RS trim shows off blacked-out accents and 20-inch wheels, while the new Active Edition adds a chunkier bumper, silver skid plates, and all-terrain ready 17-inch rubber. Whichever trim you choose, LT, RS, or Active, the Equinox finally looks as modern as its rivals. Slide inside and you're greeted by twin displays, an 11-inch digital gauge cluster and an 11.3-inch center touchscreen angled toward the driver. Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a 4G Wi-Fi hotspot all come standard. Chevy moved the gear selector to the steering column, freeing up the console for big gulp cup holders, a phone shelf, and the new drive mode dial. Every 2025 Equinox gets Chevy Safety Assist, automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, pedestrian detection, and IntelliBeam auto high beams. Blind zone steering assist and a 360-degree surround view camera bundle are optional, but full hands-free Super Cruise is not offered on this model. Under the hood remains the familiar 1.5-liter Turbo 4 pumping out 175 horsepower and 203 pound-feet of torque. Front-wheel drive models now pair that engine with a smooth CVT, while all-wheel drive versions get an 8-speed automatic. Acceleration is adequate for the school run, and the retuned suspension gives the Equinox a calmer, more confident ride than before, though hard bumps can still make it feel a little busy. EPA numbers land at 27 miles per gallon combined with front-wheel drive and 26 combined with all-wheel drive, not class-leading, but right on par with Honda's CR-V and Toyota's RAV4 gas models. Behind the rear seat you'll find 29.8 cubic feet of cargo room. That's enough for a week's groceries or a medium suitcase per passenger. Drop the second row and space opens to 63 plus cubic feet. A hands-free power liftgate is standard on RS and Active, optional on LT. So, should you buy the 2025 Equinox? If you value a fresh look, big screens, and lots of standard safety without busting the budget, absolutely shortlist it. If you need punchier power or class-leading MPG, you might keep shopping. What do you think? Is the new Equinox a hit or a miss? Drop your take in the comments, smash that like button if you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you in the next drive-through.